Well, here comes my skidder, dragging a couple logs down. And I usually clean out the chute, make room for the skidder for another drag. Not a lot of room in here, but good little skidder. I'm glad to have it. That little baby thing. Look how tiny that thing is next to the loader. Well, the winch is acting up, so we wrapped all the bowl line around the arch there. It's way down in there. Down in that hole down in there is where the loader is. So skidding all this out of here. Had to cut a bunch of stumps off to get that little baby thing up here. There goes the little skidder that could. Back up the hill. No brakes on that thing, so I like to go down up backwards. That way you can put the blade down if you need to stop. My turn to clean out the chute. I'm on hold waiting for the forester, so I thought I'd kind of show off what I got going on here. Okay, so about, I don't know, half of what's in this deck here is cedar, and the other half is white fir and some hemlock. But then I have all this cedar over here, so hopefully I'm on the phone waiting for the forester to get back with me for me to be able to, I want to send a load of cedar out in the morning to make room, because most of the job is hemlock, but the cedar, we're just getting into a patch of cedar, and I want to send it to Alta in Naples, Idaho, and Alta pays better than IFG for cedar. So since I got quite a bit of it, I've never sold to Alta before. I've always just sent it all to IFG for in Laclede, because usually with me it's, you know, maybe like a little bit of cedar, but this is quite a bit of cedar, so for me. So yeah, just thought I'd make a TikTok real quick before, while I'm sitting around here waiting. Don't want to be running my socks. I need to hear my phone ring. So anyways, but the skidder is giving me some fits. The winch burned up the brake band, or friction. So got the bowl line wrapped around the arch right now, which sucks, but it is what it is. So I mean, it obviously had a problem. Now I'll adjust it, but anyways, man, there's a lot of wood up here. More than I thought, which is a good thing. So yeah, you see how I still got all that up there. I got most of it over here, but anyways, good problems to have, first world problems, I guess. The 461's doing really good. I'm on my last 28-inch chain. It's got not much life left on her, but I got 2 more coming in the mail, so that's good. But out here enjoying myself. I'll let you guys go. Bye now.